Miss Blue, the new color for iPhone 17. This one is the 256GB base model. And today, we are doing a quick unboxing to see what's inside. Let's pull the tab to unseal the box. Let's open it up. Right on top, we have the phone, and underneath, a USB-C charging cable. If you are coming from an older iPhone, you will need a USB-C power adapter since the old USB-A one no longer works with this one. I usually go with white or silver, but this Miss Blue really stands out. The camera system has been upgraded this year. All rear cameras are now 48MP, and there is a new 18MP center stage front camera that tracks faces more naturally. Under the hood, it's powered by the A19 chip with a 5-core GPU, giving better performance and efficiency. The 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display now supports ProMotion up to 120 Hz, a first for the base iPhone model. So what do you think about the iPhone 17? Is it worth the upgrade? That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Take care, and I will see you soon.